Hey everyone, Stephanie Cole here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Easy One Up. So at any point during the video, if you like what you hear, you can subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video, hit the bell's notification to get more videos like this. And for those of you who are already subscribed, welcome back. So for this video, it's just a simple process of how you can learn, how you can start earning income in any affiliate opportunity using these basic steps. So here is the couple boxes I already put for you for time purposes of this video, and this is the online whiteboard I'm using. So you have the capture page / landing page, same thing here. All it does is capturing the prospect or the person who's interested name and email. Okay, so let me see what's Easy One Up. Let's see. So inside Easy One Up, I'm logged in. I think you see my name. I think you see this information. And they have the sales page, lead capture page 1, 2, and 3. And then they also have a Spanish version of the capture page. So I'm just going to let you look at the capture pages here that Easy One Up has. So this is the Spanish version. And then this is the English version of that same capture page. Here is another one of their capture pages. This one here, and then the last one is the sales page. Now you don't want to send anybody to this page unless you've gotten their email information first. Okay, and then another one that I like, that I recommend, which is lead pages. Now, like I said, if you get an Easy One Up and your budget, this is all you can afford, I would recommend using their capture pages for the time being. But I like lead pages because the affordability, because of how you can customize their landing pages is very simple. Okay, so here I just put a picture, I put some stuff together. Now this is in a real live active landing page. I just did this for training of this video. So you can come through here and edit any of these things, and these are templates already pre-built, as you can see that lead pages offer us, and we can go through and edit this text, this pictures, all of this stuff here. So you can come here, put a video explaining yourself, and if you don't want to get in front of the camera, you can leverage off of, if you join my team, some videos that I put or have available for those of you that join me in Easy One Up that are not branded towards me, so that way you guys can be successful and start creating people that are joining you for you, okay, and not for me. So I offer that for you guys. There's a couple videos that I do offer that for those of you on the team. Anyway, you can add a picture here, more text, more stuff here. So let me show you. I'm in the preview. So if I just get out of here and let's just say, you know, say you type in stuff, anything in here, right? Boom, boom, boom. Right? You save it. So sharing your story, talking a little bit about you, being personal. So, because people want to know who they're joining. Many of you, I've heard this before. I did a video about this on this channel before. Some of you hold yourself back from certain things. You might be like, well, people don't want to join me because I look like this, or because I'm this or that. Listen, just push that all aside. If you have value or provide value to people, and people are able to learn and able to change their life, they will join you. And they will follow you, they will subscribe or will buy or join your affiliate opportunity. So don't let that stop you from joining. All right, so let's just go back. And one more thing I want to show you. Look at lead pages capture page system here. And you can look at other people who are successful. Look at their landing pages and capture pages to get an idea of what they're doing, and then copycat that, but in your own words, in your own way. Be unique. Okay, so here's lead pages. You can look and see what they're doing as well here, right? How are they capturing people's information? What are they doing? How did somebody get you to want to join, or to click the button to learn more, or to join an opportunity? Look at what they did, the whole process to get you to want to join the opportunity. Okay, let's go back here. So as you can see, what I just showed you was the capture page or landing pages. Now, the next page or the next box would be like your offer, which is the Easy One Up, or you can do here where you offer a free PDF, a free ebook, a free course, or something like that to get that person interested. And then another box or another page comes up where you explain Easy One Up, which is where your sales page then comes in. So it does all the selling and telling for you. So you don't have to explain it. You don't have to do a video about it if you don't want to. It does it right here for you. It talks about the opportunity. It talks about the prices. It talks about everything right here. All right. And then here, the last thing you want to do is close the deal, get the sale. But what happens is you have people that will be on your email list for months, or sometimes people might be on there for years before they decide. It's very few that you'll get someone to see your stuff, pull out their wallet, and then join you immediately. You know what? So those of you who are watching my video, you might be like, this is the video. I like what she has to say. I want to go ahead and join her. That could happen because you built rapport. You felt like through all the videos that I put out here that you've built the relationship with me, that you like and trust me to join me in an opportunity. Then you put out your wallet and you got into the opportunity. I provide the training for you and stuff like that. Okay. But one thing I also want to keep in mind for those of you is that when you do join me, I am your sponsor. I referred you to the opportunity. I'm not your mentor or your coach. That's completely different. And I think that's where some people get it confused, is that they see a video of someone talking about something that they're interested in, one of these affiliate marketing opportunities. They'll join them and then get upset when maybe they don't provide or give them something that they need. You have to understand, we are your sponsor. We provide the basic necessary things to help you grow the business. And inside Easy One Up, which I love about it, is that it's educational. It's like where you can learn and earn. They have all the marketing material back there for you, depending on what level you come in at. There's different price points, all the way from $25 all the way up to $2,000, depending on your budget. But that allows you, on top of what your sponsor gives you, for us the training for you to help you go out and start earning income on your own. Now, if you're looking for somebody to take you by the hand, you're looking for someone to coach you, be on the phones with you, step by step, over their shoulder, showing you step by step what they do, you most likely will have to pay for that. That's not free. All right. So please keep that in mind. I just want to make that perfectly clear. I don't want anybody to get in here and say, Stephanie, I need this, and this. It's like, look, if you need that, it's going to cost you. For me to help you one-on-one coaching from me, it's going to cost. Okay. But I do put these videos out there. I have tons of video on here that will lead you in the right direction. And then the training that I provide for you when you do join will help you earn sales inside your affiliate marketing opportunity. Okay. So with that being said, we have the capture page, we have the offer, Easy One Up. How do we, get people eyeballs to see this opportunity? That's the most important thing, right? You get the concept, you get what Easy One Up is about, you see their product and stuff, and you see the capture page, you know how to do that. You're like, how do I get people that are interested to see what I have to offer? And that's where one traffic source comes in, which is MLMleads.com. And all you're going to do is go to products. You go to my autopilot web traffic national, and then scroll down here to the bottom. And these are the different price points here. So what I would recommend you do is to be consistent and don't stop this. Like if you can commit every week to, let's say, buying 40 clicks, do that every single week and try this out. Give yourself enough time, 3 to 5 months, to at least try this out. And if after 5 months or so you just like, this is not for me, you can quit. You don't have to torture yourself, okay, to try to make something work. But if you be consistent and follow what I share with you, once you join the team, the training that I give you, I promise you will see results. So be committed. Let's pull up the calculator here. So 40 clicks every single week. Let's say that's 160 people, targeted people. These are biz opportunity seekers that will see your stuff every single month, 160. And then you're going to have about 800 after, those 5 months, right? And then that's what, $47. So that's $188 a month that you're spending, as far as the budget goes, to your business, right? And then it's $940 over a period of 5 months that you spent using this process. Now you can say, you know, I only want to do $280 for the month and spend $277. That's fine. And here on this channel, I show you how to, if you need to, earn extra income if you don't have it, to fund your business. Many things I talked about. I just did a video about this. A couple videos I uploaded here yesterday, like opportunities that pay you daily. Now you actively can do the work and get paid, which is like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub. There's even Instacart that pays you out daily. Uber driver, if you need to do that, to pay you out daily. And this is, let me bring this calculator up again. So if you have the money from the job that you're currently working and you're putting your stuff on autopilot here and you're being consistent, you're saying, okay, well, I need some extra money. I'm going to do, for example, DoorDash. So even if you do for the week or like for the day, let's say a couple days out of the week, you're able to do DoorDash, and let's say $35 or something for the day, and then you're only able to do it 3 days, that's $105, right? That covers your cost here for the week for your marketing, for your leads here, right? So just find a strategy, find something, extra income, sell stuff around the house. I did a video on that. Get the extra money and start creating an income for you. Start changing your life and start learning these new skills so that you can teach other people how to do the same exact process. The thing is, this is not easy. You know, it takes time, but the thing is, it's very simple once you understand the process here, how it works. The offer, you have your capture page, you have the source of people who are going to be looking at your offer. You guys, once you get this down, it's like going to be so exciting and just so easy for those of you to start earning income from home. All right. So if you like this video, hit the bells, hit the thumbs up, share this video, and I'm gonna go ahead and see you all in another video. Bye-bye.